Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a web browser in Visual Basic. First of all, let's start on making a new project. Click on a new form application. I'm going to call this YouTube Web Browser. Okay. First of all, change Form 1's size to your screen resolution. Mine is 1680, 1050. Okay, let's add a panel. In the properties box, change the dock to top. I'm going to change the back color to active caption. Let's add 5 buttons. The first button's name is going to be back. The second button's name is forwards. Now let's change button 3's name to home. Button 4's is going to be refresh. Okay, and button 5 is stop. This will stop the website from refreshing. Now let's add a text box. We will now need another button. This is going to be called Go. This is the button we'll press when we want to search. Okay, here is a label. We will need to call this URL. You can change the color if you wish to, but I like to keep it the same. Okay, now, sorry about that, I've got a bad cough. Now let's add a search bar. So we need a button and a text box. With this search bar we will search Google. So this is going to be called Search Google. Okay. Let's add a web browser. At the moment we don't have a web browser, so we can't search. Okay. Double click on the button to type the code. Here's our code interface, and button 1 is to go back, so it is web browser 1 dot go back. Button 2 is web browser 1 go forward. Button 3 is web browser 1 dot refresh. Oh no, yeah, this one's refresh, the other one's go home. Okay, and this one's stop. Yep, this one here is stop. Web browser 1 dot stop. Okay, and let's to go. Okay, I'm not quite sure on this line, but I bet I'll remember it in a minute. Yeah, it looks wrong. But oh yes, no. Okay. Oh yes, it's web browser 1 dot navigate, and then put some brackets in and just put textbox 1 dot text in the brackets. Okay, let's try it out. Okay. So the navigation button works properly. Refresh button works properly. Yes. Yep, refresh and stop are fine. Back forward works fine. And the home button works fine. So they all work fine except for the search button that we have not coded. Okay, so I think it's time to code button 7. Okay, button 7's code is a bit different. It is web browser 1 dot navigate. Then we need to open brackets, and then in the brackets we need to put speech marks. Now we have to get the code from Google. So I'm just going to open up Google Chrome. Oh no, it looks like the code has been changed. Yes, it has. Okay, this is the code. Remember, I will be giving you all of these codes that we have typed in the description. Okay, so let's test it out and see if it works all fine. It looks good. Yep. Let's try out this bar that we've made. Yes, it works all fine now. That's good. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please like and subscribe. Thanks, Master Jamesh.